Today, we're diving into the Infinix Zero 40, a new smartphone that's about to hit the shelves. From its stunning display to its powerful performance, we'll break down everything you need to know before it officially launches. First off, let's talk about the design. The Infinix Zero 40 measures 164.3 by 74.8 by 7.9 mm and weighs just 195 grams. That's pretty slim and lightweight for a phone with such high-end features. The build quality feels premium with its dust and splash resistance, IP54, so a little rain won't hurt it. The phone comes in 3 colors, rock black, violet garden, and moving titanium. Each color gives the phone a sophisticated look, and the slim profile adds to its modern feel. Now, let's get into the display. The Zero 40 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, which is fantastic for watching videos and playing games. It supports 1 billion colors in HDR, making everything look vibrant and sharp. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures super smooth scrolling in gaming, while the 1300 nits peak brightness means you can easily see your screen even in bright sunlight. The screen resolution is 1080 x 2436 pixels, giving you a pixel density of around 393 pixels per inch. With Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on top, it's well protected against scratches and drops. Plus, it has an always-on display, so you can check your notifications at a glance without turning on the phone. Under the hood, the Infinix Zero 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset. This 4nm processor is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. It's paired with 12 GB of RAM, so multitasking is smooth and lag-free. The Mali G610MC6 GPU handles graphics, which is great for gaming and video playback. You can choose between 256 GB and 512 GB of internal storage, and while there's no option for a microSD card, the UFS 3.1 storage is fast and efficient. This setup means you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of room. The camera system on the Zero 40 is impressive. It has a triple camera setup on the back. A 108MP main sensor with f/1.8 aperture for detailed and sharp photos. A 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, perfect for wide landscape shots. A 2MP depth sensor that helps with portrait shots and adding a blurred background. For video, it supports 4K recording at 30 or 60 frames per second, as well as 1080p recording at various frame rates up to 240 frames per second. Features like Euro EIS and OIS ensure your videos are steady and smooth. On the front, there's a 50MP selfie camera with a f/2.5 aperture, capable of recording 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second. With a dual LED flash, your selfies will look great even in low light. When it comes to audio, the Infinix Zero 40 has dual speakers tuned by JBL, providing clear and immersive sound. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack, but it does support 24-bit/192 kHz high-res audio and high-res wireless audio for a high-quality listening experience. For connectivity, you've got the latest Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, GPS, and NFC. The inclusion of an infrared port is a nice touch, allowing you to use your phone as a remote control for various devices. There's also an FM radio for those who still enjoy traditional radio. Battery life is another highlight of the Zero 40. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging. The phone can charge up to 60% in just 25 minutes, so you won't be waiting around long. It also supports 20W wireless charging and 10W reverse wired charging, so you can charge other devices if needed. With bypass charging 2.0, the phone can keep cool while gaming or heavy usage. The Infinix Zero 40 runs on Android 14 with XOS 14.5. This setup offers a clean and responsive experience, and you can expect up to 2 major Android upgrades, which means the phone will stay up to date with new features and security patches for a while. Pricing and availability. The Infinix Zero 40 is set to launch on September 8, 2024, and is priced at around €360. Considering its impressive specs and features, it offers good value for money if you're looking for a high-performance phone without paying flagship prices. If you're excited about this phone or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech gadget news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.